Crazy fireworks. You guys, it is officially New Year. Well, in 20 minutes time. It is the new year. I know how to get the Pentagon out. Usually I always take the cars out, but this time once again I'm visiting some family, and since I am here I thought, you know what, I might as well just take the bike out too. So we out on the panny. Hope you guys had a good Christmas. Wishing everyone a good New Year. Yeah, this is a random video. I wasn't going to do anything. I was actually going to just go to the party, which I'm probably going to do after this. But I thought at least do this beforehand and then party afterwards. So that's what we're doing. Right up this curb. Oh my days, can't get into the drive. Huh? Thank you. Sir? Happy New Year!
Yeah, you too, bro.
Take it easy, man. Happy New Year, man. What a random vlog, but just literally rode it to get some footage of the fireworks. So yeah, that's what we just did. Wow.
6.5 hours later.
Crazy fireworks. So you guys, that is the New Year's fireworks. Great time to spend with your family. Hope you guys can hear me. Be a great time to spend with the fam, to enjoy some beautiful fireworks. I'm going to imagine I travelled with you guys. I travelled just for this because I know there is fantastic views in this section or this part of London. So I'm travelling here just to see the fireworks. So yeah, fun times. Oh damn it, my strap, I didn't tuck it in. Oh hell no, can't see shit. Anyway, guys, I'm checking out this second spot. I'm sure it's going to be ram-packed here. Yep. Yep. Let's see how friendly people are and who says Happy New Year and whatnot. Let's see. I doubt anyone will. Because I look intimidating on the bike. Let's see. To see this right. Oh, I still see fireworks. What the hell? Oh hell no! F this, I'm on the bike. I'm done. I ain't doing this. No. This is where I call quits. Well guys, that's the end of this. This is just random. We just got some fireworks footage for you guys and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go. Damn it, I got ride all the way back in this rain. Oh, this sucks. Anyway, some footage for you guys, so yeah. You need to move, bro. Absolute rubbish driver. End of the vlog. It was just a New Year's ride. But tomorrow, if you guys tune in tomorrow, we should have a brilliant, proper New Year's ride on this bike. with a bunch of supercars, so you guys should enjoy that one. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna clock out now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy New Year to you all, and yeah, enjoy guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.